This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford.
If you've been paying attention today, there's been a lovely theme to the show. It has our hearts full. And this guy right here knows how to keep our bellies full.
That's right. Chef Zeus from Benvenuto Restaurant is in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen with some special items he's featuring at his upcoming wine club dinner. Welcome.
Yes, thank you for having me as always.
yes.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
I feel the love. It's in the air.
So we love food.
Oh, yes, we do. I mean, it makes the world go round. So one of the things that I want to talk about today is our wine club. All right, we have an amazing wine club and great benefits. Now, it's $100 for the year. All right.
Okay.
That's not bad.
No, and it's every Thursday.
Really?
So it's like under $2 a week.
Wow.
So when you come to our wine club, what can you expect? You're going to have 2 tastings, a red and a white, 2 ounces of each. Now, if you like those wines are available to you as a wine club member, 50% off menu price.
Wow.
So think about that for a minute, all right? So great value in that. And there's just a lot of really cool things. Now, what we're doing right now is our chicken roulade that is for our wine club dinner tonight. It's going to kick off in about 15, 20 minutes.
Oh,
from now,
boy.
all right? So I have to get back.
Okay.
All right? So I'm going to show you guys how simple. So all of our friends at home, you guys want to see this because this is so easy to make. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with some of this mozzarella.
Okay.
I use a really nice grande mozzarella for this. All right, it's already
spread
shredded.
it out, or?
Just a little bit, yep. A little bit more. And then we're going to add a little bit of spinach to that. Okay? And once I add the spinach, I then season.
Okay.
All right, because what's going to happen is that spinach is going to have moisture. That's going to be drawn from it.
Right.
So that's where I want the season. We're also going to have some red roasted peppers to that. All right. Get this going. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to start rolling this almost like a cigar.
Oh, I've never rolled a cigar, but I will improvise.
You've seen it, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So you're just going to kind of roll it up, and I guess that's where the name roulade comes from.
Oh, okay.
Now, if we were just to cook this right now, or just cook it like this, we're not going to have a real shape. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to step in. I take this plastic wrap here, okay? I roll this over like such, okay? And then I take the ends, just like this. All right, you guys watch this at home. I pinch these in, and I roll this, and look at that.
How about that?
And you have this beautiful little package.
Yeah.
And that's what you guys see in here. All right? So how do we cook this? We then steam this so it's fully cooked through, nice and moist, juicy, tender, and then we just sear them off.
Nice.
To get a nice color, little caramelization
Obviously
on there.
take the plastic off.
Yes, you take the plastic off. You did a great job with that.
Thank
and what
you.
we're going to do is we're going to pair this with some mashed potatoes, some garlicky green beans, and we have this wonderful red roasted pepper sauce that we're going to pair with this as well. So we're going to be doing this. Look, we have a lot of other things I want to talk about. We have some dessert. We have our good friend here, Conti Sebastiano, that's going to be coming out to us to do our next wine dinner on March 20th. You don't want to miss that. I think we're going to take a quick break, right?
Yep,
We're gonna
that's
put this
exactly
guy,
what we're going to do.
Yes, looking forward to it.
We'll be right back.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford.
What you're looking at is a prestigious award of excellence honoring Benvenuto Restaurant, and you would not expect anything less. It's something our friend Chef Zeus is extremely proud of, and he is here with us in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen today. So tell us about this major award.
Well, see, this is 2025 now. Our mixologist and wine specialist, Sam Gray, she's like, you better not take credit for this. I said, I'm going to take credit for it. But no, she does an amazing job. But see, something very unique about this, because we received an award of excellence from Wine Spectator 2022, 23, 24, and then the only one in the state of Delaware, this is this one here, and this is the best of Award of Excellence. All right, see that 2 glasses on there?
Okay.
All right, and so speaking of glasses, look, we have a little bit of
here we go.
wine here for you guys as well.
Oh,
all right.
thank you.
And this here is an Impero from the Impero collection. All right, and this is a Montepulciano grape. All right, I think it's what they call it, and Montepulciano de Abruzzo, which is this here. But if you just swirl it, you get that bouquet, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The first time I got the bouquet was in '92 when I was drinking malt liquor, but it smelled like a good hangover. But anyway, you guys can enjoy that. So look, what we're going to do is we're going to plate this guy up. All right. So once we pull our chicken, all right, this is what we wind up with. See, it has that nice, cylinder shape to it,
Yeah.
so that it holds the shape really well. And I'm going to show you what happens when we slice this, okay? So we're just going to give it a nice little slice like that, and you're going to see how beautiful this guy looks inside, all right? He's going to be crispy on the outside and super moist and tender on the inside. Now, I'm going to reach over here. We're going to grab some of our buttery whipped potatoes, okay, that we're going to just lay down here, all right? We are also going to do some garlicky beans, okay, that we have here, just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're going to put on the side here, all right? And then we are going to come over here. This is our red roasted pepper sauce
Oh, that sounds so good.
that I mentioned to you guys that we were going to pair with this. And I just kind of start all the way over here and bring it around, okay? Now, for you guys at home, if you can see this, see how beautiful that looks inside?
It's very colorful. It looks like a heart in it, too.
It does, for Valentine's. And then I'm going to show you how we plate this. See that? So we just go around. I'm going to turn this around for our friends at home.
Wow.
All right? And that's what you end up with. See that?
That is gorgeous.
It's beautiful, and it really is. It's very simple to make, very easy to make, but we're going to be having this for our wine dinner tonight, okay? So again, we have another amazing wine dinner coming up on March 20th, all right? And there's still room for that, all right? So if you call the restaurant, all right, you can come out, make a reservation. You guys will love it. But this is how we linked up with these guys here. So Conti Sebastiano, this winery here, if you guys can see, it's Villa Calcinea. All right? And we went back and forth about the pronunciation, right? Wonderful. They've been around for over 500 years, all right?
Wow.
And he's flying all the way out from Florence, Italy to do a really nice wine dinner with us. So we have that. Valentine's, right? We have a little dessert as well, because we can't do Valentine's without a dessert. So this is one of our love hearts, and we have a friend that makes these for us, okay? Really nice. We're just going to do a little bit of chocolate sauce here, all right, and just a quick little smear like that. All right, see how beautiful? We're going to use some fresh whipped cream, because why not, right?
Why not?
We're going to do a little bit of whipped cream here, like such. And I know Lisa loves her whipped cream.
I do.
Look at
All
that.
right?
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it really is, And then we're just going to do a little fresh berry on here for that. And look at that, just a wonderful dessert for Valentine's. But look,
Look at that.
wines, right? Wine club, all kinds of cool stuff. Hey, like I said, if you guys come out, you love those wines on the first night, all right, when you're tasting, 50% off. All of our wine club members, anytime you come in to dine, 20% off all the bottles.
That's
There's
incredible.
so much
Wow.
cool stuff with the wine club, I'm telling you. There's fun events that we do at the event space, prizes and lots of stuff during the holidays. It really is wonderful for anybody who's a wine connoisseur or a beginer.
Sure,
All right,
yeah.
it's just a great introduction to all the wines that we carry at Benvenuto.
There's only one thing left to do.
We have to try it.
I'm going to slide this over so you get a
Okay.
little closer to it.
So what do you guys think? Dessert first or chicken roulade
I think
first?
I'm going to go with chicken roulade
There we
since
go.
we have the wine, right? Because it all
Yes,
goes
yes.
together, right?
We talk all the time about how beautiful the presentation is. And that it's a work of art. It truly is.
It's just about, taking a little bit of pride in what we're doing, and that's what we want to do at Benvenuto every single time.
You eat with your eyes, as you have said before, right?
And make sure you get some of that sauce on.
Yeah, get some of that.
I took a big bite.
It's okay. It's all right.
My knees are weak. It's so good. And then a
Delicious
little wine.
combination.
It is. It really is.
All right, dessert.
Dessert. All right.
Right, you go for the dessert first.
You almost don't want to ruin it because
I
it
think
looks so
almost.
beautiful. All right, get a little bit of everything, I guess, right?
And this is one of our specialty desserts that we do for Valentine's. We have 4 that we offer on a menu because remember, our Valentine's menu started last Friday.
Right.
And it's going to run through this weekend. And then again, next week, we're going to finish up with the Valentine's menu February 21st. So if you haven't gotten your reservations in, because we are solid booked.
Right.
Tomorrow, Saturday, it's a wrap. If you want to come in a little bit later in the week, slows down a little bit, we're going to give you that chance as well.
Same menu, though.
Yes, same
Oh,
menu.
great
Chef
idea.
Zeus, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford. Get there, make a reservation, and treat your sweetie to some excellent food.